Hello guys, welcome to another episode on Temu. So in this episode, I'll be showing you how to get a price adjustment on Temu. So as always, I recommend you check the video description for important and useful links that will be attached to this video. So if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, I recommend you hit that subscribe button down below to never miss any trending content on Temu. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. So guys, if you've used Temu for quite some time, you will know that Temu is one of the best shopping apps out there. It actually gives the new trends. In fact, it actually gives the trending content at an affordable price. So we all know about that. And these prices on Temu, one thing that is even more amazing is that they fluctuate, and Temu is also known for making some sort of price adjustment for your orders. So what is this price adjustment on Temu all about? So Temu's price adjustment is a feature that is adopted not only by Temu but by most stores and retailers out there. So the price adjustment is it's a feature within the Temu app that will provide the price difference in currency for the order that was paid within 30 days. So if you place an order on Temu and within a period of 30 days this order gets some little adjustment in prices, Temu will refund you the difference in this price regardless of whether your order has reached you or not. So that's just what this price adjustment is all about. And to get the price adjustment is very easy. You just need to make sure that the order you are looking to get a price adjustment for is actually qualified for an adjustment. So it is very easy. As you can see here, all you need to do is to navigate to your order section and look for the price adjustment. So if there have been a price adjustment on an order within a period of 30 days, you will find the price adjustment button. So if Temu recently adjusted the price of one of your orders, you find the price adjustment button just next to your order when you go to your orders tab. It is very easy as that, guys. So that's just how you get a price adjustment on Temu. Don't forget to keep in mind that you can just request a price adjustment for orders that you've placed within the last 30 days and not more than that. And also make sure that your order qualifies for this price adjustment. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you found this video helpful as always, and also check the video description for useful links that will make you even understand this price adjustment tag even better. So guys, thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.